Let's talk about the power of compound interest. If I offered you a choice right now, $1 million in cash today, or a single magic penny that doubles in value every day for 30 days, which one do you take? If you took the $1 million, congratulations. You just lost $4 million because a single penny doubling every day for 30 days becomes $5.3 million. That is compound interest. It starts so small you barely notice it, and then it explodes into something that defies human intuition. And the fact that your brain cannot naturally grasp this is the single biggest reason most people will never build real wealth. The human brain is wired to think in straight lines. Compound interest does not grow in a straight line. It grows like a snowball rolling down a hill, starting tiny and becoming unstoppable. In the early years, the growth feels almost invisible. You invest $200 a month for 5 years and you have maybe $15,000. It feels slow. It feels like it is not working. And that is exactly when most people quit. But quitting is the single most expensive financial mistake you can make. Here's the actual math using the S&P 500, which has historically returned about 8 to 10% per year over long periods. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, you will have approximately $1.2 million by the time you retire at 65. You only put in $96,000 of your own money over those 40 years. The other $1.1 million came from compound growth alone. You earned more from doing nothing than from actually contributing. But watch what happens if you wait just 10 years and start at age 35. That same $200 a month invested until 65 only grows to about $500,000. Waiting 10 years did not cost you $24,000 in missed contributions. It cost you $700,000 in missed compound growth. That is the brutal, unforgiving math of time. Every year you wait is exponentially more expensive than the year before. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it earns it, and he who doesn't pays it." Every time you carry a balance on a credit card at 24% interest, you are paying compound interest to the bank. You are the engine making them rich. Every time you buy a broad index fund and hold it for decades, you are earning compound interest. You are making yourself rich. The math is identical. The only difference is which side of the equation you are on. There's a concept in investing called the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your annual return rate, and you get the number of years it takes your money to double. At 8%, your money doubles every 9 years. At 10%, every 7.2 years. This means that a 25-year-old who invests $10,000 a day will have $80,000 by age 61 without adding a single additional dollar. That is the power of doing nothing except staying invested. The most powerful financial move available to any person is not finding a higher paying job or picking a winning stock. It is starting early and staying consistent. A dollar invested at 25 is worth dramatically more than a dollar invested at 35, which is worth dramatically more than a dollar invested at 45. The gap is not linear, it is exponential. The most common objection I hear is, "I do not have enough money to invest right now," and I understand that feeling. But consider this. The average American spends $219 a month on subscriptions. They spend $150 a month on dining out above what they need to. They spend money every single day on things they will not remember a week from now. You do not need to find more money. You need to redirect money that is already leaving your account towards something that will make you wealthy instead of something that will make you broke. Stop trying to time the market. Stop looking for the next crypto moonshot. Buy broad, low-cost index funds. Set up automatic monthly contributions. And let the math do the heavy lifting. The market will go up and down, but over decades, it has never failed to reward the patient investor. Time is the only asset you cannot buy back. Start today. Subscribe to Money Simplified, and I will see you in the next one.